Hello friends, my name is Kaushal Kumar from Kaushal Kumar LLC. In this video, we will talk about the steps needed to create a bootable USB thumb drive for VICIbox installation. The ISO image that VICIbox installer has been built with is capable of booting from either a USB or CD-ROM. For a CD-ROM, you simply burn it to a CD and boot from it. To boot VICIbox from a thumb drive, there is an additional step involved. For the sake of this tutorial, let's assume that you already have downloaded the latest VICIbox ISO. If not, you can head over to my blog for VICIbox download links. You can also find the download links in the video description below. You will also need to download an additional software called Image USB to make a bootable VICIbox USB thumb drive. You can find the direct download links in the video description below. Please keep in mind that these instructions will destroy any data on the USB drive that you use. With that being said, let's proceed to the actual instructions. As you see, I have the software Image USB. I already have extracted this. We'll open the software. This screen will show all the USB drives that's connected to your laptop or desktop. So in my case, I have a USB drive which has 8 GB of storage. We will select that. Again, the step 3 says to select an image file. We'll click on browse. We'll navigate to the folder that contains the VICIbox ISO. We will select that, click on open. So we have the USB drive selected, we have the ISO selected. In step 2, make sure that the first option that says write to UFD is marked. Now you can click on write to UFD, step 4. Click on confirmation. Click on yes. Let me remind you again that at this point all the data in your USB drive will be deleted. So it's done. The bootable USB creation is complete. You can use this USB drive to install VICIdial on any dedicated server or machine. If this video has been helpful, don't forget to like. Also subscribe my channel for more tutorials on VICIdial. If you have some questions, leave them in the comment below and I will be happy to answer them. We will meet in the next video. Thank you for watching.